Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today let's see how we would have or you would have made over 100 USDT from following the last video I dropped. In my last class I disclosed how you can find out a coin before it pump. Alright, so I followed it up by showing you a lot of coins that are showing sign of fire. Okay, a lot of coins that were showing sign of fire, like this, something of this nature. If you can see this, like something like this. A lot of coins that were showing this sign. Actually, a lot of coins that were showing this sign. You can see this this was just 24 hours, right? Yeah, this was just 24 hours. You can see this has added plus 3%. Imagine you traded this with like 500 USD, would have been in a serious profit. This added over plus 4%, plus over 4%, which if you trade this with like a 200 USD, you'd have made something rational. This also added with plus 4%, and MNT also added with plus 4%. But one of the major coin I want us to look at is this, the PEP coin. You can see the PEP coin here, and it's still on fire. It added over 10%. You can see. So looking at it, looking at this PEP coin, and as you all know, PEP coin is a meme coin. You can see where it has taken off from. It's taken off from here. So this is for you to understand that all these are actually working. It took off from here, 9 to here, to where? To this place. Turn this 9 to 1, and it has recorded over 10%. Okay, so this is actually working. If you took this trade, I want you to comment at the comment sections that you took this trade and also you are in profit. Okay, and if you made anything from it, let me also know what you really made from it. And one of the coin again I want us to look at is ZO. This ZO is known as XO. Okay, XO. So let's look at this XO. This XO has taken a pump of over 40%. Okay, it's taking a pump. Oh my god, and it's still going. This XO has taken a pump of over 40% and is still actually doing very great. You can see. I know a lot of people are cashing out from this actually, which is a very reasonable trade, and it's going to be a very reasonable profit because it took off from here. Okay, it took off from here. So let's say if you bought it at this level, with like 200 USD, automatically your money has been doubled to 400 USD. If you manage to sell here, if you manage to sell here, you can see where it is now. If you manage to sell at where it is currently, that is, you have doubled your fund. Okay, and going back again, you can see Dodge. Okay, Dodge. You can see Dodge also actually did well and is still on the move. You can see, and is still on the move, which is a very good one. And also the father of all, BTC. You can see what the BTC is doing. Actually, it's actually doing well as well. So it means that this strategy of fire burning is actually working. Okay, this is it. So always follow this strategy to make over 100 USD or even 200 for yourself daily or in every 48 hours, which is 2 days roughly. Okay, so going to the gainers, you can see the Zoe is there, the S is there, the Pendle, and the lot of them. Okay, you can see this CBK has even recorded over 60%. You see, that's recorded over what? Over 60%. So that will be all. Always follow this strategy in order for you to what? To make irrational profit for yourself. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next class. So always follow this fire burning strategy. You will make a lot from it. All right. Bye.